press. Okay.
Okay. Hi everybody. Welcome to My Life HC333. Today we have now 2 eggs. So we're gonna put them in our egg carton. My chicken was up there because we have 2 chickens, and they're the same. I think they're still from the same chicken. I think.
I don't know.
So those
That
two.
one's a lot cleaner.
Yeah, this one's a lot cleaner. It's not as
color.
big. It's not as
Like
big.
matches the box. It's like a greenish.
This
like a
one is
seafoam
really
green.
dirty. I feel like someone
Well, you
put
wash them
hot
before
in.
you use them. And that's it.
And that's it. So today I'm going to play with what's her name? Katie.
So we gotta get ready to go.
Katie, if you're watching this, it's the day that we had the play date at the park.
Yep.
The second one, because we already had one.
You want to go check that big melon real quick, and then we'll
Oh yeah, I
go.
actually checked it. But our fish is actually really good. You can come with us. Oh, Mama, I didn't see that. There's another baby one.
Oh,
Can you
another one.
remove this?
No, just leave it. There's another baby one right there.
Let's see. Oh, I didn't see that.
And then check that big one.
Can you see the big ones?
Yeah.
Spot the difference. Oh, yeah!
Wow, almost
That's really heavy.
personal
Literally.
size.
That's literally so heavy.
All right, let's go. We gotta get ready.
Yeah, to go to. We're gonna meet Katie.
Okay.
Bye. See ya.
Ooh.
Oh, you didn't
Say
know
bye-bye.
that. Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Turn on the like. Yeah.
James saying bye-bye too.
We're gonna. How about we? Yeah, we're gonna show you what this goes and what this goes. Oh, I didn't see.
Yep.
I didn't see these two.
All right. Let's go. Subscribe, like,
Bye.
say bye.
Comment down below if you think this is but if it's summer and spring's egg or just one of them had 2.
Okay.
Because I actually have no idea.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.